For example, anterior headache, rounded shoulder, lower back pain, all those could be caused by poor posture.
Curious about chiropractic treatment and what it involves? Find out on our fascinating program up next. Hello, pure friends, and welcome to our show, Chiropractic, the hand-based healing art with Dr. Chen Tsui-Fei, part 1 of 2. Since her youth, Dr. Chen has always had the desire to help relieve people's suffering and discomfort. Dr. Chen earned a medical degree from Zhongshan Medical University in Taichung, Taiwan, also known as Formosa. She started her healing path at Taoyuan Ministry Hospital in Formosa, where she received professional rehabilitation training that included acupuncture, osteopathic manipulation, as well as neurology and X-ray interpretation. The good doctor has been vegan since college and practiced meditation as taught by Supreme Master Ching Hai for nearly 20 years. Currently, she is the head of a rehabilitation clinic and has found it very helpful to apply many of the spiritual principles she has learned into her profession. She takes many challenging cases, including those involving developmentally disabled children, persons with occupational and sports injuries, stroke patients, and those with degenerative joint ailments. Seeing her patients recover and return to their normal lives brings her great reward. Because of her immense love and compassion, Dr. Chen has touched the lives of many, helping each patient to recover and regain their health, well-being, and self-confidence to continue living their best life possible.
优雅的观众您好，我是陈翠斐医师，来自台南、台湾。台湾又称福尔摩沙，福尔摩沙热情的人民，为您以高尚无私的精神服务世界为荣。在今天的节目中，我们要与您分享人体生理学和脊骨神经医学的基本原理。根据统计，超过7600万美国人苦于慢性疼痛。在2015年，每3位美国成人中就有1位需要医疗院所开立的止痛药。幸好有好消息要告诉那些因服用处方药而产生不良反应，正在寻求替代疗法的人。如果喜好自然疗法，有些方法已经证实是有效的，包括属于运动疗法的太极、草药疗法的姜和姜黄，及属于身心医学的打坐。而能够矫正身体的治疗法，则有整骨法与脊骨神经医学。今天我们要探讨的脊骨神经医学是一种徒手治疗法。人体的神经系统负责传递大脑指令到身体各部位，也负责收集感官的讯息，传回大脑，以维持必要的功能。那么，脊骨神经医学如何在神经系统上运作呢？关正医师是雌唇术的职业针灸师兼脊骨神经医师，他目前担任美国纽泽西州附属健康中心的临床主任。现在，请他为我们简介脊骨神经医学这门专业。
The word chiropractic was created by combining 2 Greek words, chiro and praxis. Chiro means hand, praxis means practice. So the word chiropractic is to describe treatments performed by hands. Actually, in the history, many countries have similar practice as chiropractic. For example, traditional Chinese medicine has Tui Na or bone setting. In Europe, in ancient Europe history, we know they have bone setting. These are all similar practice to perform the treatments by hands, the philosophy of chiropractic is to restore and maintain health by correcting existed subluxation without using drugs or medication and surgery. The focus is to ensure the optimum of normal transmission and expression of the nerve system. So by ensuring the normal function of the nerve system, then the health can be restored and maintained.
对于健康有问题的人，脊骨神经医学能帮什么忙？关医师将列举一些脊骨神经医学能处理的症状。
Clinically speaking, chiropractic can treat many conditions, including internal or external conditions. Mostly, as a chiropractic physician, we treat primarily neuromuscular skeletal conditions. For example, headache that's caused by neck stiffness, or we call it cervicogenic headache, neck pain, lower back pain, sciatica, degenerative joint disease, sports injury, and arthritis. So in my years of practice, we have treated patients from newborn to geriatric patients and many athletes from school, high school, college, gymnasts, or hockey players, basketball players, when they play sports and they had injuries, for example, sprained ankles or even wrist fracture.
脊骨神经医学能有效治疗各种病痛，让我们来听关医师谈谈病患产生病痛不适的典型成因有哪些。
The common causes for conditions that we treat include sports injury, motor vehicle accidents, degeneration, and emotional stress. Those are the common causes. Another common cause for the conditions that we treat is postural syndrome. So poor posture is a common cause for a lot of pain syndrome. For example, anterior headache, rounded shoulder, lower back pain, all those could be caused by poor posture. A lot of time people sitting in the office for hours on a daily basis, that's a very common cause for pain syndrome. Lower back pain, knee pain, or neck pain is caused by poor posture.
肌肉是附着在骨头上，所以肌肉紧绷可能代表骨骼系统中的骨头位置或组合已经改变。若是如此，活动范围常会受限且疼痛。我们要休息一下，稍微做个伸展，以调整脊柱。稍后为您介绍更多脊骨神经医学有趣的细节，请锁定无伤师电视台。欢迎回到本节目脊骨神经医学，陈翠斐医师介绍徒手疗法2级之一，关节与背部不适的症状，常见于久坐的人。幸好脊骨神经医师能以自然的方式治疗各种症状。您也许好奇，脊骨神经科的治疗有任何潜在风险吗？会不会像服用处方药物那样，有时也会有不良的副作用？
Chiropractic treatments are usually safe when performed by properly trained and licensed chiropractic physicians. However, if there's a pre-existing medical condition that's undetected, then a chiropractic treatment might cause certain kind of complication. According to the statistics, the chance of getting any kind of complication from getting a chiropractic treatment is 0.0000001%. from my years of clinical experience, I have not heard of any kind of complication that's caused by chiropractic treatments. So it's very safe.
假设您觉得脊骨神经医师也许能帮您解决健康问题好了，那么要接受脊骨神经科的哪种疗程？关医师将谈谈他的观点。
So usually when the patient comes in for the first treatment, we will have a thorough history taking, so we know what conditions the person is coming for, and then we will do orthopedic exams to find out the body condition, and then we will have a diagnosis to know how we can help the patient. It can be relaxing because usually we'll start with therapeutic massage or therapeutic body work to relax the muscles. A lot of time the tensions of the muscle can be the reason why the person is having pain. So after that is done, then we can apply electrical muscular stimulation. That's also relaxing because that increases circulation and that helps the blood flow to circulate better. And then we will perform chiropractic adjustment. And a lot of time people will be afraid of the loud sound, and especially if you have watched some martial art movies, you see the neck is twisted and the person is basically gone to heaven. But that's not what chiropractic is about. Basically, the adjustment is very safe. In the neck, there are 7 vertebral bodies. For example, if the second vertebral segment is not aligned properly, what we do is we will set up the position first, and then with a quick thrust, then we correct the subluxation or misaligned segment. And then after that, the joint is freed up from the restriction that it was having, then the range of motion is improved, then the pain will subside. It's very effective and very relaxing. After a adjustment, usually I feel the whole body is loosened up, and the pain is certainly reduced or disappeared.
感谢关医师分享自身经验，并为我们精辟地介绍脊骨神经医学和相关疗程的细节。请于2018年7月30日周一继续收看脊骨神经医学陈翠斐医师介绍徒手疗法2级之2，来深入了解接受脊骨神经医学治疗时会有哪些情况。关医师也将为我们示范哪些有益健康的运动可以维持健康的姿势。感谢热忱的观众一同收看今天的节目。接下来，佛除师徒之间，青海无上师讲经节录，拯救地球，终止生产肉品3级之1。愿上天赐福众生，永享健康与智慧。
Thank you, cordial viewers, for your company today on our program. Up next is Save Our Planet, Eliminate the Production of Meat, excerpts of Supreme Master Ching Hai's discussions, part 1 of 3, on Between Master and Disciples. May the Providence always bless all beings with health and wisdom. For more details, please visit suprememastertv.com/HL.